Instagram is one of the most popular applications out there, and if you've never used Instagram before, or if you need just a little bit of a refresher on how to use Instagram, this is the perfect video for you. Now, Instagram is a application owned by Meta, so if you have like a WhatsApp account or a Facebook account, using Instagram, it's going to be very similar kind of in some ways. If you want to download it, you can make your way over to your App Store or your Google Play Store and download the Instagram application like this. Or you can also go to Instagram.com on your internet browser. You can also access it that way as well. Now, when you first look for Instagram, it's gonna look like this type of application, right? So it's gonna look like that. And when you first open it, it's basically going to ask you to go through and basically, log in or sign up with your account. So you're going to want to sign up for an account. If you already have an existing account, you can also log in that way too. So that is one thing you can kind of do there. So the way Instagram kind of works, it's actually very, very interesting because there's a lot of different key things that kind of go into, using Instagram. Now, when you first get on Instagram, you will always come to your homepage. Your homepage consists of your stories, posts, and your bottom bar right here. Now, at the very top, these little options up here are called stories. Anybody you follow on Instagram, they will have the ability of posting a story, which isn't a post like this. It's basically just a post that's on a story that will last for about 24 hours. So these things up here are 24 hours long. You can look at people's stories, you can look at them. If you're on a story, you can also like a story by clicking on the like button. They'll be notified that you liked it. And you can also share out a story this way. You can swipe between stories like this if you really want to, or you can swipe down and come back to your homepage. Underneath stories, we have posts. So your posts are going to be consisting of people that you follow, and whatever they post, these posts last forever on their profiles. So you can kind of go through here and you can kind of just, kind of see what people are saying and what people are posting. If you want to interact with a post, you have a couple of options. One, you can double tap on a post like this to like it. You can also see that there's a like button, as well as a comment button, kind of a reshare button, repost button, and a share button. You also have a bookmark button right here. So the first one is to like it. If you want to like a post, you like it here. They'll be notified that you liked it. I think it's public as well. So if they have likes, showing, people will see that you like that post as well. If you click on the comment button right here, you'll be able to go through and see all the different comments that people are leaving. You can also leave your own comment. You can tap onto the comment button down here, and you can go through and leave your own comment to this particular post as well. That's another really cool thing you have the option of doing. And you can also go through and reshare this, post, and you can also share this post out to other people. If I want to go through and share this post out to others, I can click on that share button, and that will allow me to share it through. That is kind of how these particular posts work. Now, if I want to, I can also go through and basically interact with people's accounts. So if you ever want to follow somebody or you want to interact with their account, you can always tap onto their profile like this, and they will basically be able to come into this page. Now, what this page looks like is basically just a standard Instagram account page for someone's profile. At the top, you'll see their icons. You'll see their story icon here too. If you tap on their story icon, you'll be able to see their stories and different things like that, which you can also hop down from. You'll see their follower account, following account. You can go through and follow these accounts as well. So when you follow somebody, that means that they will be notified of you following them. That means you like what they post. And anytime they post or share stories, it will come onto your home tab. So if you don't follow them, there might not be a chance that they come into your home tab, but if you do follow them, there's a higher chance they will actually come inside of your home tab. So from there, you can interact and see everybody's posts. You can see what they're posting, what they're looking like. Also, you can always click onto their own things right there. And you can also like their posts, like their stories, different things like that. So that is interacting with people's posts. That's basically the first page. Now, there's a lot of other pages within Instagram. This second page is Reels. So within Instagram, we have the capability of basically going through and looking at Reels. It's almost like a TikTok that's built in inside of Instagram. So you can go through and you can start looking at people's Reels. You can just swipe down and it will start posting other people's Reels inside of Instagram as well. So these are just short videos. It doesn't have to be people that follow you or you follow them. It can just be random people in general. And that's another really cool thing. So it's very similar. You can like a post, you can share a post, all these things on the side too. So you have that type of capability right there. This middle tab now is your messaging panel. So whenever you get a message from somebody or you want to direct message, DM somebody, whatever, all those messages, all those panels will basically come inside of this particular page right here. So let's say you're messaging somebody or even you share a Instagram post to somebody else. This middle button right here, this messaging, this paper plane icon is going to go ahead and allow you to see all the different types of messages that you have. So that's really, really cool. You can also go through and tap onto the search button right here. If you want to search for somebody, you want to search for something, you can tap in the search bar and you can search for different people's things. So if you really want to, you can go through and search for somebody else's task. You can search for whatever you want to. And you have the other option here of kind of doing that, which again is another really cool thing. So if you're searching for a particular user or a post or whatever, you can search for it right over here. This bottom right option, this little profile icon right here, is going to be your own profile. So it's going to show you any of your own profiles that you have, any profile icon stuff. That's going to show up right here. And that is basically all you're going to have to do here as well. So within this profile tab, it's just going to show you basically like your own photos, your own posts. You can go through and click on edit profile. You can share your profile out. You have a lot of different things you can kind of do here as well. And that's another really awesome thing that you can kind of do. So if you ever want to edit up your own post or if you ever want to change your highlights or change anything, you can go through right here and customize things and kind of change things out. And that is also something that's really, really cool. You can also edit up your bio and different things like that, which is another really cool thing. Now, one other really important thing, if we click back into our home tab right here, is the ability of posting. So you can go through and post on Instagram a few different ways. In the top left corner, if you tap onto this little icon right here, it will allow you to make your own posts. Now, there's several different posts. We talked about stories before, so if you want to post a story, aka one that deletes in 24 hours, you can tap right over here and you can go and click on the photo. So if you want to take a photo, you can tap here, take the photo, or you can also click on the X button here, discard, and you can also just hold down on this icon like this, and you can make a video just by holding it down this way. So you can do it that way, or you can also go through and you can actually bring in an existing photo or video by tapping onto the bottom left corner right over here and bringing up your photo gallery basically. So here you can post photos, you can post videos, you can really do whatever you want to here. And that is another really awesome thing you can kind of do here as well. That's something that I really, really like doing. That's something I really like seeing. So you have that option and opportunity. And if you want to, you can switch from posting a post like a story like this to posting an actual post like this, or you can even post a reel like this. So you can kind of, go through and customize it whichever way you want to. And that is something else that's actually really, really awesome. And that's something that I really like having the opportunity of kind of doing here. So that is that. One last thing is once you start posting and start posting stories and people start interacting with it, you'll be able to see those interactions on the main page by tapping in the top right corner right up here. If you tap right up here, it'll basically just bring you into your notifications and you'll be able to see all the notifications you have right within Instagram. So that is basically how you go through and use your Instagram application. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.